Hello and welcome. Today we're going to take a look at the new DJI Spark Fly More Combo. This quadcopter or tiny drone is amazing, and it has several tremendous features such as sensors on board to help guide it and protect it and use it with several hand gestures. Has an included transmitter that can power this little quadcopter for very long distances, and it comes with a few extra accessories like an extra battery, nice carrying cases, and so on. So we're going to take a closer look at this and check it out. Now the drone comes in this simple yet elegant box here. As you can see, the Spark Fly More Combo by DJI, where it has the logo and all sorts of stickers and stuff. So inside, just to give you an idea, because some of this was already unpackaged and some of the styrofoam and stuff was removed, but initially you'll find this box right here, and this essentially has the core. This has the actual quadcopter in it, as you can see here, with its extra batteries, extra set of propellers on it, and foldable propellers that are already on it. And as you can see, it's a really neat looking quadcopter here. It has its sensor here at the bottom. It has its camera here, 2-axis, with its main sensor right here on the top. You can see the battery. It has Spark there on the top, and actually this area here is like an actual compartment. So if you open this up here, it has an SD card slot and a micro USB slot right here, if you can see it right there. So now it does not come with a it does not come with an SD card that I saw, so unfortunately you have to provide your own. But it does come with several other accessories that we're going to look into. So that's the quadcopter, and then it has, yeah, like we said, extra propellers, extra battery in this case, and then it comes with another case here, very nice leather case here that you can see, and it has a pocket right up front here that you can unzip here. And it has this micro USB cable that you can charge with, update firmware and whatnot. And it comes with this multi-battery charger which is excellent. You plug this in, you can plug in several batteries at once, like this, and you can charge up to 3. Now since the package comes with 2, if you buy a third one, then you can complete the whole set. Now, so on the top here, you have several other things. You have the transmitter here, which basically folds like this. You can fold it like that, and then the antennas open up like this. And so you have your transmitter all set up like that, and you put your phone in there, and it has the return to home button, pause button, sport switch, which makes it go significantly faster. It tilts the pitch significantly, so that way it goes a lot faster. Now the pitch will go all of a sudden a little more at an angle. And then you've got your on-off button, your camera button, function button there, or user defined function, record, and you've got your gimbal tilt knob here. So that's basically the transmitter, and then you got your little micro USB connection right here in the bottom. So that's that. And then inside here you've got your main charger here, where you plug in there, and then you have your you can plug the USB micro USB charge here, so you can actually charge the controller and several batteries all at once using one power plug, or one outlet. So you got your power plug here, and then last but not least you've got your 4 propeller guards. So that's basically all that's included in the package. Now, starting this drone is very straightforward. You would first get the drone here, and then do the famous double press on the battery to get it started. So you would just push once, push again, and it would get it started. And then you would hear a little noise. Yep. So now that's set up. And then you turn on the transmitter, which the transmitter is also very straightforward. You do also a double tap on here. 1, 2. And then if you have the Fly More combo, it will already be bound, the transmitter. If not, you will simply have to bind it. But you'll see here, if you just wait a second, the little blinking red light should turn green. That means that it has a linkage with the Spark. Now, if you bought the controller separately, you would basically have to press, well, you'd have to long press the battery button for 3 seconds till you hear a special beep. And then you would have to turn on the transmitter and push the pause, the function, and the user-defined function button right here, all at the same time. So 1, 2, 3 at the same time until this starts beeping, and then it'll be flashing. So with the Spark, and that would be linking mode, and then eventually it will link. But since this is already the Fly More combo, it's already paired with the quadcopter out of the factory. So once you have that, you just have to now get the app. So I'll show you about the app right here. Now you would have to download and get the DJI Go 4 app. DJI has a handful of apps in the app stores, but the one you want for the Spark is the DJI Go 4. If you had, let's say, a Phantom 3 standard, they would have this DJI Go. And if you had a Phantom 2 Vision, I think they have one called DJI Phantom 2 Vision app. So you can get that. You can also, as of just recently, you can use the Lychee app as well. They just came out with an update, which now it is compatible with the Spark. So, and I believe you can do waypoints and things like that with the Spark using the current Lychee app. So that might be a good download, accessory download for your new Spark. Now, it does cost quite a bit of money. I think it's maybe close to $20 in the App Store. But if you want automated flight, it may be something that you may be interested in. So you get the DJI Go app 4, but before you do that, you've got to go into your Wi-Fi. So you go into your Wi-Fi. Now it auto-connected to my Spark. But once you connect to your Spark, then you can launch the DJI Go 4 app. And then you should be able to enter the quadcopter. See? And you just go in and have to calibrate the compass, but you can see we have connection here. So and that's about it. Then you have several features in the app, and that we'll probably go into in a later video. But you can configure things and set different flight modes, filters for your pictures. There's even an editing section in the app. So I mean, the app is very in-depth and requires its own video, but the idea is that, you know, if you are bound to the transmitter, you would get one Wi-Fi connection and you can fly with the transmitter. If not, your Wi-Fi would bind to the phone, and the phone would have its own touch controls where you can fly. But right now, as you can see, we're bound here. So now we're going to take it for a little flight so you can see how it flies and some onboard footage. Hope you enjoy. Now? Okay, there we go.
Thank you.
This is a homage beat.